Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the collections. What are the collections? For example, I have this cube, I have this light, I have this camera. I know this is a collection of it and they are put together in one box. Let's say the collection is like a box. When I click on this hide in viewport, all they will be hidden. Okay, when I click on this eye it will be shown. Okay, for example, I have this cube and I want to move it. What I will do, let's learn the first moving things. Okay, you can press G or you can press this one, the move tool, like this. You can see we can move it like this, we can move it like this, we can move it like this, you see. But I don't like to use this one because I don't like it. I don't know why. I like to use G. Okay, so I'll click on this one and I'll come here and press G, and I press G. Okay, let me open the shortcut status. Okay, so you'll see what I'm doing. I'll press G and I'll press Y because I want to come in this direction, Y, and I will click on it. Okay, like this. You see, if I want to create another thing, Shift A, I'll create a circle like this. G, Y, it all goes like that. Shift A, again, I want to create a plane, and G, Y comes to here. Okay, Shift A, and let's go with the sphere circle, UV sphere, and Shift A, let's go with the icosphere, G, and let's put it here. Okay, Shift A, and let's add a lattice like this. You don't see it, we will talk about this one later on. Okay, you see this is lattice, it has a different thing with it. You see, the lattice has a different sign for this one. Do you see? So I'll delete this one, no need for it. But you see, if something is a mesh or geometric thing, you can see it's like a triangle. You see, this is triangle, triangle, triangle. It's a mesh. Okay, let's say it's a geometry, but the light, no, it's like a light bulb. This is a camera. Okay, they are different, so they will be classified at like different things. So I have this many things. Okay, we put it here. If I want to add a camera, I will add a camera, and G, I will not press Y. Let's not press anything. I will just bring it here, and Shift A, let's put the light, and G like this. Let's let it come to here. Yeah, you see we have many things, but it's out of this collection. We can put all of them into this collection, you see. But the collections are not for this. The collections are for organizing. Okay, it's like a box, putting this like a book. For example, in daily life we have this for pencil, this is for book, this is for food, like this. This is a box. So we want to organize the lights and spheres like this. Okay, for example, if I come to here only in this tab or in this panel, if I press C on the keyboard, I see this is a new collection. This is collection 2. Let's double click on it, and let's name it camera. Okay, camera. Let's just, and enter. Okay, you see, it's camera. For example, I can put this camera to here in this way. You see, I can hide this camera like this. But if I want this camera to bring it to here again, if I don't want it to do it like this, I can do in another way. I can select the camera and press M on the keyboard. M is for what? For moving to collection. So we have two collections, collection 1 or collection of the camera here. I'll press M and I'll send it to the camera collection. You see, it's very easy. Let's create another camera, and let's put it here like this, and let's Shift A and camera. I put another camera. Okay, you see, I have put it here. Okay, if I move it, if you forgot the M, or you don't want it to make it from here to put it in this camera, you see, this is not inside this. Okay, you see, but we can do it inside this. How? We can press Shift A when we are in we selected the collection. We can press Shift A and add camera, and the third camera will go into it. But the second camera is here still. You see, we have 4 cameras, but the second one we did, it was not. We didn't select the camera, so we want to put this one to the camera. I'll just select this one, which is not in any collection. So I'll right click it and move to collection. You see, it's M and collection of camera, like this. You see, so let's move these geometries, or let's create another geometry collection C. I'll just tell it, let's tell it mesh. Okay, mesh, and I can create another collection inside this mesh. See, again, I created another thing. Let's say it's sphere, and yeah, I can create outside of this collection by clicking on this space, like unselecting it, and press C, and collection 4 will be selected, and cube. Okay, and I can put this one here. Okay, like this, and I can put this one in this one, but I don't want to. Okay, but let's send them to another. Let's create another collection, plane, and put it in the mesh. Okay, so I will send this one to this sphere. I'll press M, and I'll say mesh to the sphere. Okay, and M to the sphere. This is like a sphere. Okay, and this is a cube mesh. Let's put it in the cube, and this one as a plane, and this as a 2D object. You see, this is like a circle, but I don't want to do this. So what I will do, I'll just create another collection for 2D. Okay, 2D. This is 2D because of that, and just M and to the 2D. You see, yeah. So we can hide it, or hide the mesh one. You see, the mesh are all gone, but we have to put light and point light in another collection. We can name this one another collection. Let's name it light, and enter. Yeah, this is all what we do it for here. You see, and this is it. And this is today's video. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.